Hello friends, today we are going to learn about email writing format, both formal and informal, with examples. This is a very common question asked in school exams. Write an email to your principal requesting leave for 2 days. Or write an email to your friend about your weekend plannings. Now, what is formal and informal? Let's start with formal email writing format. Formal emails are written to teachers, principals, or in offices. They must be polite, clear, and professional. Let's check out its format. Starting with from. In this, you have to write your own email address. Then write to the receiver's email address to whom you are sending. In this, there are two more options, CC and BCC, which are optional. Third, subject. It should be short and clear. Fourth, salutation. We can write Dear Sir or Ma'am or Respected Sir or Ma'am. For body, you have to cover 3 main points: the reason, details, and conclusion. For the closing, we can use thank you or your faithfully. In signature, you have to write your own name. Now let's check out an example. In from, write your own mail address. In to, write the principal mail address. For subject, write request for leave. For salutation, write respected sir or ma'am. For body, you can write I respectfully submit this application to request the leave for 2 days from start date to end date due to whatever reason you want to write. I shall ensure that all homeworks, assignments, and any other academic responsibilities are completed promptly upon my return. I kindly request you to grant me leave for the above mentioned period. For conclusion, you can write thank you for your consideration. For closing, you can write yours faithfully. After that, you have to write your full name, class, section, and roll number. Now let's see the informal email format. Informal emails are written to friends or family. They are casual, friendly, and personal. Let's check out its format. First, from your own email address. Then write to your friends or family members' email address. After that, subject should be fun or casual topic. Then salutation. We can use hi, hello, hey plus name. For body, you have to write friendly start, details, and conclusion. For closing, you can write take care or lots of love. In signature, you can write your name or nickname. Let's check an example. From, write your own mail address. In to, write your friend's mail address. In 3, write the subject, weekend plans. In 4, you have to write the salutation, hey, and your friend's name. For body, you can write, how are you? I hope you are doing great. I was thinking we could go to the park this Sunday and have a picnic. Let me know if you are free. Then write the closing, take care, and after that your name. So students, remember, formal emails are polite and professional, while informal emails are casual and friendly. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share.